Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You are welcome back. So in today's video, without wasting your time, let's go straight to the main point. You can see that I'm going to be teaching you how to make your homemade chocolate syrup, or you can call it chocolate ganache, or you can call it whatsoever. Learn how to save some cash making chocolate syrup yourself. You can use chocolate syrup to decorate your cake. You can use it to make chocolate drip just exactly the way it is in the cake that is appearing in your screen. Okay, it's not everything that you will buy in the market. Okay, so I'm going to be making use of 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm using Susan products, and right inside that bowl or plate, whatever you call it, I have 1 tablespoon of icing sugar. You can make use of any product you want. Then I will go ahead to add it vegetable oil. You can use any product available for you. Okay, you can see the product I'm using. Okay, go ahead to add some, or you can measure out 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and add into the cocoa powder mixture and stir until everything is well combined. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to this channel, okay? Then I want to use this medium to appreciate all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to support this little girl. I really do appreciate you guys, okay? Please do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. And please do not forget to share this video, because someone in your community might need this video. Okay, share this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video and save some money buying chocolate syrup in the market while you can make it yourself at home. Okay, this chocolate syrup, you can as well use it for your cake filling. Okay, if you want to make cake filling, chocolate cake filling, you can use this for your cake filling. You can use it for your chocolate drip and buttercream cake. Okay, feel free to do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, make it yourself, save some money, don't buy everything in the market. Okay, I will go ahead to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. If you notice that the mixture is running, you can go ahead to add cocoa powder and another icing sugar to make it to the consistency you want. Okay, for all the ingredients I use, for the measurement of the things I use, I'm going to leave them in the description box, okay, for easy access. So do not bother yourself. For the total tablespoon of icing sugar and the cocoa powder I use, both the oil, the measurement will be in the description box for easy access. Okay, this is very easy to make and it is not going to cost you much. Just imagine, what I used, I think, is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and some icing sugar. It's not going to cost you much to make. But if you're buying chocolate syrup in the market, or maybe you want to buy chocolate and melt it and use it for your cake drip, you know how much chocolate is being sold in the market. So please do this yourself. It is very easy and affordable. Save some money. It's not everything you buy in the market. Okay, try some recipes yourself. Okay, you can be creative with recipes. Do not buy everything in the market. Save some money. Okay, I really do appreciate you for watching this video to this point. We've come to the end of the video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.